Hello, little learners. Welcome to our colorful world of learning. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating color green. This is green frog. This is green apple. This is green truck. This is green leaves. This is green turtle. This is green grapes. This is green crayon. This is green dinosaur. This is green broccoli. This is green caterpillar. This is green alien. This is green bike. This is green book. This is green parrot. This is green balloon. This is green fish. This is green butterfly. This is green ice cream. This is green rocket. This is greenhouse. This is green gift box. This is green trees. This is green candles. This is green bed. This is green star. This is green topaz. This is green donut. This is green board. This is a green ball.